Is the Ageas Federal Easy Save Plan truly an easy path to financial security or just a traditional policy dressed in simple language? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before we analyze this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are it offers a choice between two plan variants like lump sum and income options, and it provides a guaranteed income benefit which is payable annually either from the first policy year or after completion of the fifth policy year. So, throughout the policy term as per the selected option. It also includes a smart lady benefit option under which an additional benefit is payable at maturity for female lives along with the flexibility to opt for multiple life covers. It offers the ability to enhance coverage through optional riders at an additional cost, and there are also tax benefits available. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, death benefit, and maturity benefit which will all differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So now let us take a look at the advantages. A policy loan facility is available with the maximum loan amount capped at 75% of the guaranteed surrender value, and your coverage can be strengthened during the policy term by opting for additional riders subjected to applicable terms and conditions. So all the benefits payable under the plan are guaranteed as per the policy's provisions. So the smart maturity payout feature enables receipt of the maturity benefit in installments after the policy term concludes instead of a one-time payment. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like although the plan offers guaranteed benefits, the overall returns are comparatively modest. And survival benefits under the income variant may also lead to discretionary spending instead of disciplined long-term wealth accumulation. The sum assured is also inadequate here. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video where you are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us better understand and make an informed decision. So here, let's just for example purpose assume that a 35-year-old male has invested 1 lakh rupees annually in this plan. Selecting a 10-year premium payment term and a 20-year policy term with a sum assured of 10 lakhs under the lump sum option. So at maturity, the policyholder receives the guaranteed sum assured along with accrued guaranteed additions resulting in a total payout of 25.20 lakhs. So based on these cash flows, the internal rate of return IRR works out to be 6.05% per annum as per the policy's maturity calculator. So from a financial planning perspective, a long-term investment spanning 20 years should ideally generate returns that comfortably exceed inflation to preserve and grow purchasing power. An IRR of 6.05% over such an extended tenure is relatively modest and may struggle to create meaningful real wealth after adjusting for inflation. Further, a 10 lakh sum assured may not be sufficient to provide comprehensive financial protection for your family, especially when factoring in future liabilities, lifestyle expenses, and goal-based funding requirements. So now as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us take a comparative analysis where we are going to do an alternative approach here. Instead of bundling insurance and investment, we are going to invest in both separately with similar or same financial assumptions from the earlier example for a much more fairer comparison. So for life cover purpose, let us take pure term life insurance policy with a 10 lakh sum assured which costs us 7,500 rupees annually for a 20-year term with a 10-year premium payment term. By opting for this, you can save 92,500 rupees annually which can be invested based on your financial goals and risk appetite. So your investment choices should align with individual risk tolerance. Like high-risk investor can opt for equity instruments like an equity mutual fund, while risk-averse investors can choose safer options like PPF. So here in the tabular column presented on the screen, we have compared how both scenarios can occur. So in PPF investment with a minimum contribution of 500 rupees annually for 15 years, an adjustment made to meet PPF regulations due to the 10-year premium payment term, the final maturity value reaches 27.43 lakhs, which yields you an IRR of 6.61%. An equity mutual fund investment, after accounting for capital gains tax at redemption, the post-tax maturity value stands at 50.72 lakhs, which is a pre-tax value of 56.46 lakhs, which delivers an overall IRR of 10.74%, which is the post-tax IRR. So the substantial gap in maturity value is primarily driven by the power of compounding, which becomes increasingly impactful over extended periods. So now what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Ageas Federal Easy Save plan worth it or not? So this policy offers you guaranteed benefits which is payable either as a lump sum or in the form of regular income. However, its return profile is relatively weak, significantly lower than many conventional debt instruments, making it unsuitable as a long-term wealth creation vehicle. In addition, the life cover provided under the plan is insufficient when evaluated against standard protection requirements. While the plan facilitates disciplined savings, it does not generate an adequate corpus to meaningfully support major life goals, and it also has a high agent commission. So, despite being positioned as a product with assured benefits, it remains a conventional traditional insurance policy without any distinctive value proposition. It does not stand out either as an efficient insurance solution or as a competitive investment avenue. So, life insurance plays a critical role in financial planning by acting as a safety net for dependents. A pure term life insurance policy delivers substantially higher risk coverage at lower cost. So, simultaneously achieving long term financial goals requires constructing a well diversified investment portfolio that aligns with your evolving needs and risk tolerance. You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.